Essential Depot's STEM soap making kit is specifically designed for educators in pre-K, elementary, and secondary
That
classrooms.
makes soap making kits. Has anybody ever made soap? Have anybody used soap? In the kit that they created is centered around, does anybody know what STEM is?
Technology, engineering, math.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, you guys study STEM in school? Who wants to help make soap? Me. Yes, all of you. Gonna help make soap. Are you ready to make some soap? I am. Let's make some soap. Okay, soap is made by a process called saponification. Whoa. Let's see if we can say application.
Saponification.
Could you like take some melody on that? Yeah.
Smells like cereal.
Are you smelling that for us? It's getting soft. The air was changing right before. Now it's getting even thicker, right? And you smell and you can creamier. It's about wire out. Perfect. Okay, now I'm just gonna flip it back over. Okay.
Use this kit as a science education kit and product alongside science, technology, engineering, and math curriculum to demonstrate STEM concepts and real-world applications through a hands-on activity to your students.